Good morning. Today is Tuesday, June 30th, 2026. I am here at Mandarin Holiday Marina, and this is a whole clean video and inspection video of the Unnamed Wellcraft at slip B20. Before I show you the whole cleaning, I do want to let you know a few things that I think need to be addressed. Your starboard prop has a few dents in the blades. I will get that in the video. Your transducer is not only broken from the bracket, but it looks like it's been broken in half and there's some wires showing, so that would need to be replaced. And it does look like the cutlass bearings, at least on the starboard shaft, are starting to go out, and I'll get those in the video. I'll get that in the video, and then we're going to check out the port side as well while we're down here. So let's go ahead and check it all out. cutlass bearing on the port side as well. So just a little less movement, but it still looks like it's getting worn. So both of your cutlass bearings are going out. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.